So can you hear that? I can hear a little bit. That's what your pool pump, I'm not sure if you can hear it in the video, but that's how your pool pump should work. Right now, pool pump is underneath the deck. It's a little bit underneath me, and it was making this droning sound. And 95 or more % of people that has a loud pool pump, because the reason why you're here, it's going to be because of the same reason: vibrational noise, whatever it's sitting on or moving parts on the pool pump itself. Now, I've suggested before you can buy just a foam mat, but a lot of the times I find that the foam mats, they don't really do a great job at absorbing the noise and stop making the noise for an extended period of time. I find that if you have a vibrational noise because of your pool pump is vibrating, making noise, you can just go there, add a little bit of pressure, move it around, the noise stops, but then it starts up again a few minutes later or maybe a day later. I have one solution here. I've put it underneath my pool pump, something different that I never really thought of before, and it's been there for 3 weeks. I wanted to try just to see if it would be the exact same as any other thing that you put underneath it to kind of absorb the noise, but I found this is a little bit different. It's something that you use to sound deaden vehicles. Now, if you're here because your pool pump's making noise, but you know it's not because of vibrational noise, video right up there. I think it's 9 or 10 different ways on how to fix a noise problem in your pool pump. It goes more into detail. It's an older video that I'm going to make an update, so just check that out, and also let me know what you think about the different formats of old videos versus the new videos, because the old videos are quite different from what I am doing now. So just let me know in the comment section if you like this new type of content versus the old, and I'll just keep doing what I'm doing now. But I'll also update that video because it is kind of getting dated. So the reason why sound deadening material for vehicles works so well in this type of application is because it's not just one piece of material. There's actually 2 sides to this, and those 2 sides works for different reasons. One is to stop the vibrational noise, and the other side is also to stop the vibration between 2 pieces, let's say on the pool pump, but in this case it would be for applied for a vehicle. So if you apply it in a vehicle, sometimes you're trying to get rid of road noise underneath you, but these types of sound deadening materials also work as a way to stop pieces that are on your vehicle to stop rubbing together or vibrating and making its noise by just touching each other and vibrating. And that's the thing for a pool pump. There's a lot of moving parts, and sometimes if you have this type of material underneath your pump, it will absorb the vibrations that is created from the pool pump, and it will stop it from vibrating. As I said, I've had it underneath my pool pump for about 3 weeks, and the vibrational noise hasn't come back. It's gone. So what's nice with sound deadening material for cars, you can buy just a small sheet for this application, or you can buy just a little bit more and sound deaden parts of your vehicle that is actually quite easy to sound deaden, but a lot of people just don't do it. Video right up there where I sound deaden the hood of my Toyota Tundra. It's an older, it's an '08, and there's obviously a lot of engine noise, and I just wanted to see if you sound deaden underneath the hood, is it actually worth it? Is it going to decrease the noise by enough that it actually makes it worth it? Well, check out the video and you'll be surprised at how many decibels with my sound meter is actually taken away by just adding a little bit of sound deadening material that you can get for about $20, because you don't need that much for under hood and especially for a pool pump. link in the description below of the exact sound deadening material that I use for the pool pump and for the truck, and I just installed it underneath my pool pump. I was very happy with the results and I wanted to share it in a video, and hopefully you will find a little bit of tranquility on your deck with a pool pump that runs smooth, quiet. Let me know in the comment section below if it worked for you and if you have any other soundproofing questions that you would like to ask. I'll reply to each and every comment in the first week of publishing this video. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy.